My last desk setup video had 106 clips in the media pool. Before I could start the creative edit, I had to find the best take for every single line of my script manually. And that took me 6 hours. I wanted one thing. I drop my script and get a rough cut. The best take on V1, alternate takes stacked on V2 and above. External audio synced and markers showing me exactly where I nailed it and where I need a reshoot. And I wanted all of this without touching a single clip manually. So I built it. It's called RoughCut. Come, let me show you. Before you can use it, you need to install it. That part takes about 10 minutes for the first time. It downloads an AI transcription engine, and everything runs locally. Nothing uploads anywhere. And here's the actual workflow. Your script needs to be a plain text file, 1 sentence per line. Export it from any writing app. You can also use an SRT file, but I do not recommend it because of the timestamps. Open Resolve, load your media files into the media pool. Go to Workspace, Scripts, DrRave, RoughCut. Browse to your script file, choose your model. Base is fast. It takes about 2 minutes. Select your handle frames, which is how many frames to leave before and after a cut. Name your timeline and click Build RoughCut. Based on a number of clips and audio files, this will take a few minutes. That's it. 106 clips done. This is what the timeline looks like. Green markers means I nailed that line. Best take is on V1. Alternate takes are stacked on V2 and above. They are all disabled. Press D to enable any of them. And the last video layer is going to be your off-script clips. Purple markers, the line exists but only in audio. B-roll is needed there. Red markers, that line is completely missing, so I would need to reshoot it. 6 hours of manual assembly, down to 10 minutes, that's RoughCut. So what else is here? If you're working with dailies or multiple bins, episodes, as separate projects, then there's no point running the transcription on the entire media pool. Simply put a check on the Use Current Bin option and select your bin, your project, or your episode, add your script, and run RoughCut. It'll work only within that particular bin and its sub-bins. There's also a re-transcribe option if you want to re-transcribe the audio from all clips again. Once transcribed, you do not need to do it again. And you can run RoughCut as many times as you like. It'll now run in seconds because the transcription has already been done. RoughCut works on Mac and PC. It's a one-time purchase, no subscription. Link is in the description below. Enjoy.